Hey, it's Monday Morning with Mike, and I'm here at Northwind Solar in Amherst, Wisconsin. So Northwind Renewable Energy was first founded in 2007 in Stevens Point. It provided installations of solar electric, solar thermal, and wind turbine equipment, along with providing home efficiency and energy reduction guidance to its customers. In 2017, the business transitioned to focus only on photovoltaic or PV systems that convert solar energy into electricity and related equipment and accessories. Also in 2017, the organization became a worker-owned cooperative. At that time, with 14 employees, 6 of which immediately became owners in the business. Since moving to a new facility in Amherst in 2020, Northwind has expanded from 20 employees to 30 for the 2023 install season. Northwind has installed over 700 residential systems in Wisconsin since 2007 and over 8,000 kilowatts of solar PV across homes, businesses, and communities in Wisconsin. So this Thursday, August 24th, they are hosting an event with SPAN. This is about future sizing your house, electrification efficiencies, and more control. This event is home-based for all of your answers to questions about smart homes, solar panels, battery generators, and EV charging. Food trucks and great drinks will be there and answer to all your questions. Again, Central Waters, this Thursday, August 24th, from 6 to 9. Other things happening in Portage County this week. We have the Portage County Business Council Agriculture Tour. I know I told you about this last week, but it's Tuesday, tomorrow, August 22nd at 11:30 a.m. starting at Oso's. We'll be going down to visit the Flight Family Farms near Coloma, Wisconsin. On Wednesday, August 23rd, the Portage County Business Council has their breakfast with the board at 7:30 a.m. at the Stevens Point Country Club. Also on the 23rd, the Portage County Business Council has a ribbon cutting. It's downtown Stevens Point at Jeff Clark and Associates Insurance Services. That's 11 a.m. That night, August 23rd, you know what's that night, is Cassandra Lee, sponsored by Mark Christians. That starts at 5:30 p.m. on the square downtown Stevens Point. Also on the 23rd, PJ's Live is hosting Road Trip starting at 6 p.m. On Thursday, August 24th, the Portage County Business Council is doing a ribbon cutting at the Boys and Girls Club of Portage County, 941 Michigan Avenue, Stevens Point, to celebrate the first treasure box in Portage County containing tools and resources for all ages to support well-being and inspire kindness. The event is sponsored by TDS. On Thursday evening, Amber Grill has Jordan Bain live at 5 o'clock. Also on the 24th, it's the last Levitt Amp of the year, Kali Universe at 6 p.m. Also on the 24th, we have Northwind Solar Smart Home Open House over at Central Waters in Amherst at 6 to 9 p.m. This is a great chance to check out that smart home breakers we were talking about earlier. So that's it from the Portage County Business Council, your Chamber of Commerce in Portage County. And remember to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe to us on YouTube. Share this with coworkers, friends, and family. Let them know that Portage County is a great place to live, work, and thrive.